It is known that in warm weather conditions, airplanes experience less lift than they do in cold weather conditions. Make a comparison of the density of air at 30 degrees Celsius with the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, and which temperature would yield less lift. Well, already we know, as stated in the problem, the warmer the weather, then the less lift that the plane is going to experience. So we know that 30 degrees is the temperature that the airplane is going to experience less lift, no problem. But it wants us to make a comparison, okay? So what does that mean? Well, first, let's go ahead and get these into Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius is just 273 Kelvin, and then 30 degrees Celsius is 303 Kelvin. So what we're going to need to figure out is, okay, how close to these conditions where the plane would experience better